Good morning to all of you students. Today we will see chapter number 5 of class 10, periodic classification of elements. So we will continue with this previous or this chapter continue, that is periodic classification of elements, and today we will see the second attempt of classification, that is given by the Newland's. So today we will see Newland's law of octaves. So let us see. And topic is Newland's law of octaves, and we will see it in the tabular form. First we will see name of scientist. Second, basis of classification. Third, law of octaves oblique statement, and last is limitations or drawbacks. So name of the scientist, that is Newland's, and it is English scientist. At the time of the Newland's, around 62 elements were discovered or existence in the nature. So Newland arranged the elements in the increasing order of atomic mass. So the base of classification of his classification is increasing order of atomic mass, increasing order of atomic mass, or the base of its classification, that is atomic mass, or simply it is called atomic mass. So in his classification, Newland arranged the elements in increasing order of atomic mass, and he found that, or Newland law of octave state that Newland's of octaves state that when elements are arranged in increasing order of atomic mass, the every eighth element had properties similar to the first elements as the notes of music. So Newland states that when elements are arranged in increasing order of atomic mass, every eighth element had just repetition of the properties of the first one. It means the properties of the first and eighth element is similar, and then again the properties of the next one to eight similar. So this is the Newland's law of octaves. Why it is called law of octaves? Because you know that in Indian musical system you can see that there are notes, and he compare this classification of the elements as the notes of the music. That's why he called it law of octaves. You can see that how this can be seen like that. First element that he arranged in increasing order of the atomic mass like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then the modes of music like sa, re, ga, sa re ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, and after ni again B, C, the sa. So the elements are hydrogen. At that time noble gases are not discovered. So hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. After the oxygen, the eighth number element is fluorine. Then neon is not discovered, fluorine, then sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur and chlorine. So this chlorine is again the eighth number of elements. After the chlorine you can see that another elements are in a chlorines. Potassium is not there, argon is not there, then potassium, calcium, after that chromium, titanium, manganese, iron, cobalt and nickel. So you can see this here also, and then we can write like this. If you see the limitations, so you can like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We can like write in like this, the notes of the music, that is sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha and ni. So first element, that is hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon is not there, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon is not there, potassium, calcium, chromium, titanium, manganese, iron, cobalt and nickel, copper and zinc, and some more elements if you see its classification. So if we discuss and observe this classification or Newland of law of octaves, here some limitations are there, some drawbacks are there. First drawback that is observed here, it was observed that Newland law of octave was applicable up to calcium only. So you can write first, law of octaves was applicable up to calcium only. After the calcium, other elements would not follow this law, or all the elements after the calcium could not arrange as per the law of octaves, means another element just not have the repetition of the properties. इसके बाद कैल्शियम के बाद आने वाले सभी जो एलिमेंट्स हैं, यू कैन सी दैट हियर द कैल्शियम, क्रोमियम, टाइटेनियम, मैग्नीज एंड आयरन, ये जिस भी नोड से बिलोंग करते हैं उसमें ये प्रॉपर्टीज उनके जैसा फर्स्ट एलिमेंट और एट्थ एलिमेंट का प्रॉपर्टीज सिमिलर नहीं होता. सो दिस लॉ वाज ओनली एप्लीकेबल अप टू द कैल्शियम. आफ्टर द कैल्शियम this law was not applicable and the rest of the elements did not possess the properties of the similar of the first element. So it is the first demerits or first limitation of Newland's law of octaves. Second is he assumed only existence of 63 elements, 56 elements, not 60, 56 elements in nature. Newland, or it was assumed by the Newlands, in nature only 56 elements are present, and in future there would be no more element discovered, but it is seen that in future many elements discover, roughly double elements discover. So the prediction of the Newland was not successful or it is not correct. आपने देखा कि 56 एलिमेंट्स के बारे में ही सिर्फ न्यूलैंड ने बताया था, लेकिन नेचर में आज आप देखें तो 120 के आसपास जो लास्ट के कुछ एलिमेंट्स हैं वो आर्टिफिशियल हैं. तो 120 के आसपास एलिमेंट नेचर में एग्जिस्टेंस हैं और इन्होंने सिर्फ 56 एलिमेंट्स के बारे में बताया. तो जो इनका प्रोडक्शन था दैट इज नॉट अप टू मार्क. सो इट इज द सेकंड लिमिटेशन. द थर्ड लिमिटेशन इज he placed two elements in same slot. He placed two elements in same slot and unlike elements in same node. For example, cobalt and nickel and cerium and lanthanum. So if we see in this, cobalt and nickels both are placed in the same slot. So if they are placed in the same slot, how they have the repetition properties of the first on 8th elements. Second things, he also placed two unlike elements in the same node. For example, you can see that cobalt and nickel are placed with this first nodes and they are having properties similar to the iron. The iron having properties similar to the cobalt and nickel, and it is placed very far away from the cobalt or nickel, and we can say that in another words this Newland law of octaves applicable only the light elements. It is applicable only for light elements. So if we can see in summarized way, first the name of the scientist, that is Newlands. At that time 62 elements were discovered. The basis of the classification is increasing order of atomic mass, and statement is every 8 elements had properties similar to that of first. And then you can see the different elements that he had classified as per the law of the octaves. Then the limitations, it is one that is applicable up to the calcium. Second, he assumed only the existence of 56 elements in the nature, and then he placed 2 or more elements in same slot or unlike elements in same node. So I hope you have understand this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you once again. The remaining part of this chapter we will see in the next video.